Right, this is a job that we did about a month ago. I wasn't actually going to put it on because it turned out it was supposed to be. He rang me up and said my gutters need cleaning, and I ended up ripping the whole trough out and lining it with lead, which I didn't really want to do because I'm not a lead worker. I'm a bloody bricklayer. But these customers I've got, they want me to do it. They don't want anybody else to do it because he's already had his roof bodged. Well, you'll see in video, and they want me to do it. So I did my best. Tried to offered him tried to get someone in to lead weld it, but he didn't want to. He was like, yeah, I'm sure you'll be able to do the job and I'll get him in if it ever leaks. So I left this video about a month just in case I had to go back and lead weld it. But yeah, it's all working perfect, no leaks. So let's get the video and show you what we got up to in them. I think it took us about 3 days, I think 2-3 days. Right, let's crack on with the video. Right, welcome back. We're on a roof. We've got some patching up to do. Look at that, nice temple manor this is called. Needs some work doing on it, like. Might get us to do that job later on, you never know if we make a good enough job of this roof. Let's have a look. So this is it, it's supposed to have a gully down here and someone's put a gutter in on it. And there's like a big gully under there, so I think we might have to take this out and then try and open gully back up. But the problem, if I shove this up, can you see that? So that's the roof, look, and that is the top of the gutter. So, see the problem? We've got a massive gap, so it ain't even going in gutter, it's running underneath and into house. Pretty much all the way along, and then it comes out that side. We'll have a look at that later. But I think what I'm going to have to do is we're going to have to strip these tiles off first, pull it back and try and higher it up, or get rid of this gutter, let it roll into the new box gutter that we're going to make. We'll have a look. First of all, we're going to have to get some of these tiles shifted, a couple of rows I think. So it says main leaks on this corner, which, well, it's going to be in it. Look at that, it's rough. Oh my god, there's quite a bit of work to do on here, I think. Right, I don't know whether I dare strip them all off, like, because I don't know what weather's going to be like. Right, we'll take a bit up and we'll have a look. I mean, felt's new, so it's had some new felt on, probably a row, or maybe a lot, I don't know. But, I mean, it's a right hash, innit? Whoever's done this, jeez. I mean, what is going off here? Look at that. I mean, there should be a proper guttering, box gutter, an old style box gutter. See how it comes out there? Underneath this. I mean, it's probably, yeah. I mean, you've only got to look at it and know that it ain't gonna work. I mean, roof goes down here. Gutter's too high, and you can see how all damp it is. So that's just been gathering water. I just looked at the chimney. That's not great. Massive hole. Tiles come loose or something. That's temple, look. Nice. It's an old building, this. Point in that. I mean, why didn't they just put that? Why didn't they just clear that, and then whoever's done this, why didn't they just put some of that under? I don't get it. I mean, they've actually put a lining in it, so why wouldn't you just put a top cut? Why wouldn't you just fix that? Actually, all they had to do was fix this. So, wow, it has been real. Someone's really bodged this, and they'll charge him for it as well. Probably a lot of money as well, because all these have been rebedded on with that. All these have been changed. It's had loads of this damp proofing, then a gutter on. I mean, that's going to be the same. But yeah, that to me there looks like a decent trough now. So like look, so that's your thing, so it will actually go into the new trough now. So I'll just rip all this out. I'll join you in a bit. Jeez. Oh, look at that. So I've already got a nice lovely trough there, look. It's been bitumen coated. I've had a look right back, it's a timber frame bitumen coated. It's obviously just leaked at some point, or they've just bodged it and just thought, oh, we'll just bodge it. So it is quite nice and quite repairable, and there's going to be plenty of water being able to get down there and run. Hopefully, only problem I'm thinking is, looks like it's running down this way, but it might not. So it goes round back and then down there. Right, we'll get it all cleaned up, but that's looking quite good so far, isn't it? So we've got that, and then check this out, look. It's rotted through there, that's how it was. There's no wood in it. I just literally left it like that. Oh yeah, so a bit fiddly, but so I've cut all old rotted stuff like that, and then we've realigned it to just move them there, and then that's the, let's see it there, how it goes in. So we should be able to lead straight onto that then. Yeah, that must have been leaking there, like.
Oh, no.
He said other side will leak in there, in that corner, but it must have been leaking here really bad because it started rotting. It's literally started rotting this as well. To be fair, that truss there could do with changing, could do with cutting halfway, but if you start something like that, you end up starting a lot. Alright, what I'm doing, I'm just putting this felt in. So we're going to felt it up, look, and then we'll run as lead on that. So we'll get two, so this is one layer folded over twice, so it's two layers, and I'm screwing it in and just tacking it back there, and then this will be undercoat, so if lead ever fails it should just drip off this as well, which is pretty cool. I've sort of got that sort of shape, it's like 3 meters long. But we are working off that scaff, so it's hard work, so we've got to go do it down here. I know you're thinking, yeah Mark, why didn't you get a full scaffold and save your life? But we haven't, so that's that. So what we're going to do is get this up, and then we'll try and shape it up there, hopefully. Well, we got it up here, look, and then I just need to tap it down. But first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little cut on that end and drag it through that opening, so it's in one piece under there. But yeah, looks alright. And then this stuff, this will go back down over it then, look. And then I'll just trim this little back a little bit because it's a bit too much. Yeah, I reckon that's alright. Yeah, pretty good, yeah. Put a new lead in there as well, look, so that'll fold down onto that then. But got that. I'm gonna have a try and have a go at lead welding. I've put where is it? Lead sealant, so it's got a couple of layers of lead sealant, and then I'll try and do some lead welding. But you know, I'm a bricklayer, so might be a bit hard. There we go. I've sealed it in, did that bit, lead welded that bit, and went over it, but it's my burner that I've got down there, it's not good enough. And then I bought that little shitty thing, and it is crap, it just keeps going out. So, but I mean, it looks alright, and it's sealed. We know it's sealed, so we know it's welded together. It might look rough, but it's welded together. And then I've put like layer, so should be fine. Get all the rest done. Ooh. So that's it, look, we've got got it in. It could do with these tiles relaying because they just wobble all over. They're not set on right. I'm pretty sure they'll let water in that way. But that were a complete mess. That with that gutter in. I mean, who would put a gutter in there? Anyway, that's sorted. So that's it. We're all done. Got that up there, leaded in and stuff. So that's all good. So that's it. We're packed away. We're off to another job. It's still early morning, so we just came back this morning just to finish that downpipe off and stuff. So we're off to another job. I hope you like this one. Shame I couldn't weld it like, but you just need proper gear for it. But I never promised that anyway. Like, so I told him I've sealed it all up and stuff like that, and showed him more pictures of what we've done. So he's happy with that. Paid me up. So happy days. Right, I'll catch you on the next one.